Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gently pull the pot away from the plant and wash off the roots. Use sharp scissors to cut off any brown or rotting roots. Fill the new planter with the soaked potting medium and place the plant so that the base is right at the top of the medium. Use a chopstick to help push bits of planting medium in between the roots.
Take our lead.
Orchids should be repotted when new, every year or two, or when crowded roots push up and out of the pot. Spring. Time for a close-up. Other than watering and occasionally fertilizing them, you probably don't look closely at your orchids all that often when they're not in bloom.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Orchids require a different type of potting medium than what our typical houseplants do. They are therefore potted in normal potting soil. To pot an orchid in this kind of soil would ultimately suffocate its roots and kill the plant because soil cannot provide the needed airflow to the roots to survive.
Take our lead.
Around 20 to 22 years. Orchids are sturdy plants with a long lifespan. With proper care, most orchids can live around 20 to 22 years. But as time passes by, the foliage starts to become weak and produce lesser blooms. You also have to keep the orchid free from pests and disease. Otherwise, that may result in the premature death of orchid.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Look for dead roots that are dried out or soggy and brown. If the outer skin of the root slips off to reveal a brown root or stringy thread root, it is dead. Cut dead roots from the orchid plant with a sterilized blade, removing them completely. These roots may have been under or overwatered, or they may just be old.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.